What's going on, my free thinking rebels, and welcome to another Decrypting Crypto Live. I am your host, Stefan Subero, the Holistic Growth Mentor. I am a holistic financial planning coach specializing in digital assets. And my friends, the biggest digital asset today is the number one, Mr. Bitcoin himself. And Bitcoin's meteoric rise. That's what we're going to talk about today, to the $50,000 mark and a 1 trillion market cap approaching very, very, very soon. Let's take a look at what's happening in the market, what we can expect, and my predictions for the next couple of weeks. So, my friends, if this is your first time joining us, please take a minute, drop right down to the subscribe button, smash it, leave a comment, and share this with your friends, family, and community so you don't miss out on any of our next videos. Now, if you did not know, we are on a mission to help families, business owners, entrepreneurs, individuals just like you get out of this rat race system, this debt-driven financial system, and acquire financial freedom through digital assets. This and much, much more, that's what we're here to help you accomplish. So let's jump straight into the first news article of the day. Let's load that up right here. All right, here we go. So Bitcoin's price soars past $48,000 and nears 1 trillion in market cap amidst bullish momentum. Bitcoin's remarkable week from 43,000 to 48,000. Bitcoin has shown a remarkable performance this week against the US dollar, climbing from 43 bracket to its present 48,000 valuation. In the last day alone, Bitcoin has its peak at 48,600 per unit, encountering a significant resistance in the 49 to 50K zone. And right now we're battling that 50K zone. What is going to happen if we break that 50K zone? We're going to talk about that a little bit later. At 7 a.m. Eastern time on Sunday, global BTC trade volume has reached approximately 19.71 billion, with Bitcoin prices at $48,307 each. Its market cap is a mere 51 billion shy to the coveted $1 trillion mine. So we have not seen Bitcoin at 1 trillion since the peak of the bull run in 2021. The fact that we're starting to get to that zone right now is a very good indicator that the bull run is about to begin, my friends. So I hope you are ready. I really hope you're ready. We're going to take a look at the chart in depth in just 1 second. Now, let's jump into our market indicators. We're going to look at what's happening. Right now, like I said, Bitcoin is battling that $50,000. We're right now at 49,700, up 16% in the last 7 days, up about 3% in the last 24 hours. The Fear and Greed Index is exploding into greed once again. My friends, this is, I like to say it's a good indicator, but it's also a sign of precaution, in my opinion, because we are in a very, very oversold area, and we should see a retracement, but it doesn't seem like it wants to happen. So we got to wait and see what's going on. Ethereum up 4.25% in the last 24 hours and 13% in the last 7 days. A lot of gainers this week. Things are looking extremely bullish all overall in the market. Now, I want to dive into the Bitcoin price chart just to explore an idea. And this is something that I've been looking at for the last, I would say, 6 months. I did a video specifically on this. I'll drop the link in that video afterwards so you can see which one it is. But based on previous price history, something is happening right now that has never happened before. Bitcoin is breaking above the golden pocket and it seems to be holding before the halving. This has never happened before, my friends. What does this mean? I don't know. We're going to have to wait and see, but we are definitely in new territory of an area that we really do not have price action or history to really determine what could possibly happen. Now, if we go back to the previous bull run, we can see that we did not break the golden pocket until months after the halving. And then that's when we saw the full parabolic move of Bitcoin begin. Prior to that, in 2017, same thing. We actually broke the gold market right at the halving, came back down, broke below it. And then only after the halving, we broke above it and we came back down a second time, tested it at support, and that's when we blew up into a parabolic move. Same thing with the first Bitcoin halving, same thing. We did not go parabolic until after the golden pocket. So this is effectively the first time this shit's happening. So what does it mean? Only time will tell. All I need to say is, are you ready? Are you ready, my friends? I need to know if you're ready. If you're ready for this bull run that is going to be massive, life-changing gains, drop a comment for me right now. Tell me if your bags are packed. Are you ready to go? Please do not be those people jumping into crypto when we are already parabolic, past all-time highs. That is not when you want to be getting in. You want to be getting in now. You want to be securing your portfolios now. You want to be setting up your passive income strategies now. Do not wait, my friends. I'm serious when I say this to you. You will regret it if you waste your time. There's a link in the description right now. If you need some guidance, use the link in the description and book a 45-minute breakout session with yours truly, and I'll do my best. I'll do my best to see where you are, where you want to be, and how we can potentially work together and help you to get to those goals. All right. Now, like I said, I made a video specifically about the Bitcoin 4-year cycle. Highly recommend you go check that out, and drop a like, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. And of course, my friends, subscribe and follow us on social media so you don't miss out on any of our content. Now, last up, let me drop this for you guys. Let me see. I need to just, let me check something here. Okay. I need to load this video up for you guys so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm not the only one saying this. We have some big names calling that Bitcoin is the best place for you to put your money. So don't trust me. I'm just a mere mortal here, but you know, maybe we can trust these big guys. Let's take a look at it. All right, listen up. Justin, watch BlackRock CEO Larry Fink compares Bitcoin to gold on financial television. I need to shut this music down so we can listen. All right, there we go. A little bit better. Here we go.
And let's be clear, if you think it's digital gold, there's going to be a reference point between gold and Bitcoin.
Oopsie, let's start that over.
I believe, I believe it goes up if the world is more frightened, if people have fearful of geopolitical risk, they're fearful of their own risk. It's no different than what gold represented over thousands of years. It is a asset class that protects you. Right. And unlike gold, where we manufacture new gold, we're almost at the ceiling of the amount of Bitcoin that we created.
When you hear somebody like Cathie Wood,
yes,
who was on our broadcast yesterday, say that her base case is that this turns into a $600,000 a Bitcoin valuation, base case, and a million plus in a super optimistic case. Are you anywhere in her realm?
I haven't thought about it. To me, that what we are trying to do is offer an instrument that can store wealth. I think if it gets that even close to that high, gold will represent even a bigger value. And let's be clear, if you think it's digital gold, there's going to be a reference point between gold and Bitcoin.
You have heard it from Larry Fink. I guess I don't want to call him one of the biggest financial minds, but he runs a big firm, right? So he's got some knowledge, inside knowledge. So he is allocating a lot of his investors' funds into crypto, specifically into Bitcoin. So I hope you're doing the same. Do not buy an ETF. Come talk to me first. Just buy and hold Bitcoin yourself. That is what you need to do right now. If that's the only thing you do right now, go ahead and do it. My friends, that is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the live stream. Again, if you have any questions, drop a link in the comments or use the description link to book a one-on-one breakout sessions with me. And my friends, that's all I got. I'll see you in the next one. Stefan out.